I'm Ryan Duckett, and I'm an environmental engineer working in solid waste. I help implement facilities and processes that most people don't really think about. The infrastructure and programs that underlie trash systems, whether it's collection, transfer, recycling, or disposal, as well as organics and special waste management, they all require containment. Now it's more integrated and focused on increasingly complex diversion and processing systems. The public is highly involved. There are challenges other than the purely technical, and we're transitioning to sustainable and resilient management of waste as a resource rather than something to be discarded. I'm helping with that change. When I was a kid, my sister and I would take turns sorting the recycling with my dad every Saturday morning, and then we would help bring it to the county convenience center. These are fun memories, and I think they really instilled values of resourcefulness and the proper stewardship of materials. Now, my world is a lot bigger, and there are many other challenges to address. In my spare time, I like to explore. I love backpacking, ultra running, and immersing myself in nature. It aligns with my profession as a solid waste engineer. I also love gardening, and this melds nicely with my most recent niche of compost engineering, a highly specialized area of engineering I've gravitated to within the civil arena. It's a growing area of interest for municipalities. In addition to advising on organic systems, I manage the compost drop-off in my community garden. And I have different compost setups in my own backyard. My city just rolled out a food scrap collection program. It's becoming increasingly common. I just came back from USCC's National Composting Conference. Every year there are more and more civil engineers in attendance. It's a rising area of needed infrastructure for our society, and I really share passion for the practice and industry as it grows. I share this with a lot of other great folks that I've met along the way, very passionate individuals. My grandfather was a farmer, and there really is something rewarding about getting down in the literal weeds, replenishing the soil with kitchen and yard waste. It makes a lot of sense in so many ways. Micro and macro environmental challenges such as stormwater issues, increasingly scarce landfill airspace, soil nutrient issues, and greenhouse gas emissions are all addressed by composting. It's not new science, but I'm excited to have a career that is helping get us back to our roots. I'm a materials management solid waste engineer, and I'm honored to be one of the new faces of civil engineering for 2023.